friends, today is Thursday, June 24th, and today, instead of doing our small group Zooms, today you will have a YouTube video that you can use on your own pace for math. On Thursday, you will have a YouTube reading video that you can use at your own pace. So today I'm going to go over what we're going to do, and I decided to break it down like this and have it just be a YouTube video for today because today's lesson is a bit more challenging, and I'm going to give you the option of if you're going to work on this, or maybe I have some friends who wanted to do those Fact Family resources instead. So today our focus, looking right here, is we're going to represent and solve two-step word problems using addition or subtraction. So instead of just having a problem where it says Hannah sees 3 birds in the morning, she sees some birds at night, Hannah saw 12 birds in all, where you do 12 minus 3 to find 9, that's a one-step problem. Today we're going to expand on that, and we're going to look at when we have 2 steps in order to solve a problem. So an example would be, and this is what you'll use for your self-check at the end for your kiddos, is the problem, Josh won 4 tokens from a game. He then won 9 tokens from a second game. After the second game, he used 5 tokens for a prize. How many tokens did he have left? So in order to solve this problem, I would have to look at my numbers, 4, 9, and 5, and because this is not a one-step problem, it's a 2-step problem, I'm going to do it in 2 separate steps. So I'm not going to look at all these numbers at once. So first it says Josh won 4 tokens from a game. He then won, which means he increased his amount, 9 tokens from a second game. So my first step would be 4 plus 9 equals something. Take a moment, pause the video and solve that. Hit play when you're ready to go. So 4 plus 9 equals 13. So now I'm going to use this number in my second step of the problem. So now Josh has 13 tokens. After the second game, he used 5 tokens for a prize. So if he uses some, he spends some, or he loses some, meaning he's going to subtract. So in the second step of my problem, I'm going to do 13 minus 5 equals something. Pause the video and solve. So when I solve for 13 minus 5, I get 8. So how many tokens did Josh have left? Josh had 8 tokens left remaining. Now parents, or kiddos, if you want to show this to your parents, on page 51 you're going to find a parent letter all about 2-step problems. And when we do those 2 steps, just like in that last example I did, you're going to have to first look at the first part and write an equation to solve and use that answer from your first part to figure out the second part in your total for the answer. Now, on pages 51 through 58, you're going to find a lot of guided problems that will be very helpful for looking at 2-step problems. If your child is struggling with 1-step or 2-step problems, I would suggest working on one of these pages today. And I'm going to let you use your judgment at what pages you think will help you. So, pages 51 through 58 will be the most helpful. Now I'm going to open up to page 59, and that's what we're going to work on right now together. So pause and open up to page 59. Alright, once you've hit play and you're opened up to page 59, we're going to read together and look at these 2-step problems. So the problem I'm given here is Tamara has 8 animal books and 4 sports books. Will she be able to give away 9 of her books? Solve and explain your thinking. So first, I need to know how many books Tamara has before I can say if she has enough to give away 9. So first, I'm only going to look at my first part here, okay? This top part. Tamara has 8 animal books and 4 sports books. And I want to know how many she has total. So my first step is 8 plus 4. I add when I look for my total. Whenever you want to solve on your own, just hit pause, guys. So remember, it's on YouTube. You can pause whenever you want. 8 plus 4 equals 12. So I know Tamara has 12 books. But this is a 2-step problem, and I'm not done solving. So I'm going to use this 12 to figure out the other part of my problem. Will she be able to give away 9 of her books? So 2. I need to see, can I do 12 minus 9? Well, I know 12 minus 9 is 3. So does Tamara have enough to give away 9 books? Yes, Tamara has enough to give away 9 books. And if she gave away 9 books, she would still have 3 books remaining. All right. Question 1. Alan has stickers. I'm going to write cubes right here just as a reminder too. Remember, that stands for circle the numbers, underline the question, B for box and words, and then we're going to explain and solve. Alan has 17 stickers. He wants to give 6 stickers to Jean and 7 stickers to Matt. How many stickers will Alan give away? Explain. So first, I'm going to circle my numbers, remembering that I really want to only focus on the first part of the problem. Alan has 17 stickers. He wants to give 6 stickers to Jean and 7 stickers to Matt. How many stickers will Alan give away? So, if he wants to give 6 stickers to Jean and 7 stickers to Matt, I need to add to figure out how much this is. So 1, my first step. Sometimes they like to mix 1-step problems in with your 2-step problems, so we'll have to see where these problems lead us to. So first I need to solve how many stickers he's going to give away. So I know Alan has 17, but I'm going to be looking at the 6 and the 7 because he wants to give 6 to Jean and 7 to Matt. So 6 plus 7 equals 13. So this problem is actually only a 1-step problem because it says, how many stickers will Alan give away? Well, if he gives away 6 and then 7, he'll give away a total of 13 stickers. So this problem was only a 1-step problem. Question 2. Tasha has 12 minutes. She wants to jump rope for 8 minutes and play tag for 5 minutes. Will Tasha have enough time? Explain. All right. So first, circle my numbers. Underline my question. Will Tasha have enough time to play both these games? Tasha has 12 minutes. She wants to jump rope for 8 minutes and play tag for 5 minutes. Will Tasha have enough time? So the and means I'm going to combine these 2 amounts. So my first step is I'm going to add 8 plus 5. Pause whenever you want. Well, I know 8 plus 5 is 12. So, step 2, if Tasha has 12 minutes, can she spend 12 minutes jumping rope for 8 minutes and playing tag for 5? Well, Tasha would have the perfect amount. Yes, she could play for 12 minutes because she has exactly enough. So this was more of a 2-step problem. Alright, so I'm going to flip my page and I'm going to look at question 3 on the back of this page. The number of t-shirts that 4 students own is given in the table. Are there 3 students who have a total of 20 shirts? If so, which students are they? Okay, so here's my table, and I need to look and see if I can make 20 out of the 3. So this problem is going to take a couple of times of adding. So let's see, a total of 20 with 3 students. So let's see if I'm going to try adding Cindy, Mandy, and Will. Because Greg has a lot, and I feel like if I use Greg, maybe that'll be more than 20, but who knows, maybe I'm wrong. So I'm going to add 9 plus 7 plus 4. Pause the video and draw a picture to see if you can add these numbers, and I'm going to add them myself. 9 plus 7 is 16, and 16 plus 4 is 20, so I'm going to put the 0 in the ones place. I'm going to regroup the 2 into the tens place, and I'm going to bring it down. So I know that Cindy, Mandy, and Will all add up to 20. So question number 3, what operation will you use to solve the problem? Well, this word operation just means, are you going to add or are you going to subtract? So I will add to solve the problems. Question number 4. How will you go about solving the problem? Explain. Well, I could add up the numbers. I could just do 9 plus 7 and get 16, and then I could add on the 4. Maybe you used a double 10 frame. Maybe you counted on your fingers, or maybe you even counted backwards. Whatever works for you. So this problem, the answer will look a little different depending on however you solved it. And the last part, it just says show your work. So basically you're just going to solve your work down here. So that's all I did by going 9 plus 7 plus 4 equals 20. Now that I'm done with that, what I will do next, so on Thursday, my math activity will be using pages 61 through 65, and this will be on your Thursday's EDSB post. And there is another game that I'm going to use in my book about one-step problems and two-step problems. Again, if you're having a hard time with that, stop. You don't need to stress over it. You can work on fact families or the one-step problems instead. Alright guys, feel free to go back in this video, rewind and rewatch, play it whenever you need to. Have a good day.